Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue if your JBL Flip 5 is not charging and what you can do about it. So the first thing that you can try, of course, is to change the adapter. This is the first thing. If you can't change it, then try something else. Try some different adapter, try it out. Also, try to clear some dirt when you're gonna have it in the JBL where you have the connector, and also try to change the outlet, right, in wall. So different one. These are the things that you can try. Now, another thing that you can try, maybe it's going to help you, I wish it do. So what you want to do is you want to press when it's going to turn on, the play button with the plus button at the same time for about 5 to 15 seconds. So you're gonna press the play button and then you're gonna press together at the same time the volume up button, and you're just gonna hold it 5 to 15 seconds, and maybe it's going to work out for you. So I wish it do. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye.